Think about walking into a garden full of beautiful flowers. Their soft petals, sweet smell, and bright colors quickly grab your attention. But did you know that flowers are not just for decoration? They are the reproductive parts of plants where new seeds are made. Flower is the site of sexual reproduction in flowering plants or angiosperms. Let's find out how this happens. Flowers hold a special place in our lives. We offer them in prayers, celebrations, and even to express emotions. But for a biologist, a flower is much more. It's a morphological and embryological marvel. From an evolutionary standpoint, flowers are specially structured to produce gametes, attract pollinators, and ensure reproductive success. A typical flower has 4 main parts arranged in whorls, calyx, green sepals protecting the bud, corolla, colorful petals attracting pollinators, andrecium, the male part made of stamens, gynoecium, the female part made of carpels or pistils. Let's take a closer look at these two reproductive organs. The andrecium includes all stamens. Each stamen has a filament and an anther. Inside the anther are tiny sacs called microsporangia, where pollen grains, the male gametophytes, are formed. These pollen grains carry the male gametes needed for fertilization. The gynoecium is the female reproductive part. Each pistil has 3 parts. Stigma catches pollen. Style connects stigma to ovary. Ovary contains ovules where embryo sacs develop. After fertilization, ovules become seeds and ovary becomes a fruit. In short, the flower is perfectly structured for reproduction. The male gametes from the pollen grain travel through the pollen tube to fuse with the female gamete in the ovule. This is fertilization, leading to seed formation, ensuring the plant's next generation. The hibiscus flower is a great real-life example. It has prominent stamens and a central pistil, making it a perfect model to study both male and female structures. Try dissecting one and identifying the parts you just learned about. Let's recap so far. Flowers are reproductive organs of angiosperms. Stamens produce pollen grains, male gametes. Pistils house the ovules, female gametes. Fertilization leads to seed and fruit formation. Understanding the structure and function of a flower is the foundation for learning plant reproduction.